Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use flash fill right in our Excel. You notice we have names, we have the first name and the last name in actually one column. Over here we have last name and we have first name. So what we wanted to do is to put all the first name right here and put all the last name right over here. Alright, so how we're going to do that, we're going to click right inside here. Notice, we're going to click right inside here. Then we're going to type the first name in here. Just the same. Now when you type your first name in here, you're going to click on the bottom there, click back on it. Now what you wanted to do is you come right up here and click on your data. Now when you click on your data, you're going to come right in data tool. And this is a flash fill. For some of your version, you will see the word flash fill. But this is going to show that icon. So when I click on it, you notice it add all of the first name right there. You just imagine you have 1,000 name to add like that. Flash fill. Very good. Alright, so click over here. Now we're going to put the last name right here. And there we go. Just going to click on an button, click back on it. Right, and then we're going to come all the way right here to data tool. We're going to click. If you notice, we have all our name in one places. So if and when you get something like this with over 1,000 names and thing to do, you just actually use the flash fill. So hope you have learned something from this video here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.